Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android actually supports Qi wireless charging, check settings, or the manufacturer specs. Once done, remove thick or magnetic cases because they block alignment and lower efficiency. Make sure the charging pad is plugged into a compatible adapter, USB-C PD or QC rated between 5 and 20 watts, and sits flat. Position the phone face up near the pad center. You want the phone's coil to line up with the pad coil, which reduces heat and speeds charging. Once the pad is powered, place your phone carefully and nudge it until the on-screen charging icon appears. Precise alignment matters because misalignment triggers slow charging or intermittent pulses. Make sure battery optimization isn't limiting background charging. Turn on any exceptions for the charging app or system if you see stop/start behavior. Monitor the status light and phone temperature for the first 10 minutes. Slight warmth is normal, but persistent heat means reposition or remove the case to prevent throttling and preserve battery health. You finish by charging to the level you need, then remove the phone to avoid unnecessary heat and battery wear. Frequent top-ups are fine, but prolonged high heat charging is not. If the phone won't start charging, swap the cable, adapter, or pad to isolate a faulty component. Testing another phone on the pad helps. If charging is intermittent after hardware checks, restart the phone and check for system or firmware updates, because software fixes often resolve coil detection and power negotiation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.